Okay guys, so I'm all bundled up. Today is haul out day. Currently 48 degrees. First order of business this morning before getting to the boat, coffee. Ladies and gentlemen, have I got a great opportunity for you. We're giving away a free American-made Sailing SV Freedom long sleeve. Watch closely and see when the damage or mishap happens during the episode. Drop a comment below with the exact timestamp you spotted it for your chance to win. Have a good day. Caramel macchiato is my jam. Good way to start the day. Just landed at Freedom. I got to get a couple things together, coming in and laying her up for the winter. I'm gonna have to do something about this boom. Pick a lazy bag on the top of it. Santa, I've been a good boy this year. If you're watching, please, please, please bring me a new lazy bag for Christmas. Wide open throttle. I'm not sure of the speed, but just want to burn out the carbon in the 4Y 55 horsepower Yamaha. 2600 RPM. Nice calm day this morning. It's supposed to pick up to 30 knot gusts this afternoon, so I'm glad we're getting hauled out this morning. Making our approach here over to the village, to Harborside Marine, where we're going to get hauled out. I've never seen this before. The guys decided to spin the boat around and bring it into the sling, stern first. You may have noticed the name Stortybeaker on the transom of the boat. That was the original owner's boat name. It's inspired by Klaus Stortybeaker, the infamous leader of the Victual Brothers, a band of privateers who roamed the Baltic and North Seas in the late 1300s, preying on merchant ships. It was a very windy day with gusts topping 30 knots. You can actually see the sailboat rocking as she's lifted out of the water, heeling slightly from the force of the wind.
Used to bite my tongue just to keep the peace.
Hey, don't forget about our free shirt giveaway. Keep an eye out for any damage or mishap that happens to Freedom during the haul out. When you spot it, drop a comment below with the timestamp where you saw it.
This silence for gasoline, now I'm lighting up every memory. I ain't the man who begged you to stay. That boy's gone, I burned him away. Now I'm wild, I'm running, I'm finally free. No chains, no games, no grip on me.
Once the boat was lifted out of the water, the crew immediately power washed the hull to remove any growth.
You lost your hole, lost your key. Now there's no strings on me. Dress control up like love and care, but I see it now, it was never fair. Use my heart like a dog on a chain, but I ain't yours to break again. I packed my pride with my old guitar, drove off clean in my beat up car. You thought I'd crawl when
Did you see that mishap occur? Maybe it has, and maybe not yet. Keep watching.
Now I'm wild, I'm running, I'm finally free. No chains, no games, no grip on me. Cut the ties, burn the bridge, watched it fall. Your name's just smoke on a barroom wall. You lost your home, lost your key.
Here's where things got a little dicey. The strong winds kept Freedom rocking in the slings while she was getting moved to her spot. This could have easily put the stress on or even damaged her standing rigging.
No puppet, no palm, no heart you own. I'm dancing barefoot on your throne. Free as the wind, sharp as a blade, stronger than every promise you made. Now I'm wild, I'm running,
Much love to Gary from Goodsix for threading the needle on this one. Freedom had only a few inches of clearance between her starboard side and the powerboat's anchor.
you lost your home, lost your key. Now there's no strings on me.
It's like looking in the mirror. So this is going to be her resting place for the winter. Unfortunately, the backstay is hitting their support beam, so we can't bring it up any higher. What does that mean, really? I can't drop the rudder. And that's a wrap on episode 14. Hey, if you stayed till the end, you're our victor. I hope all of you new boaters got a real glimpse of what's involved in hauling out your boat. And the seasoned boaters, well, thanks for sticking around and sharing the ride. I will announce the winner or winners of our giveaway merch this Sunday morning during our Sunday Live, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, following seas, my friends.